Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. So, important update for those students who are going to appear for ICAR AIEEA PG examination or ICAR JRF SRF examination. NTA is providing one free mock test for them to get familiarized with the system and their method. So, what you have to do, you have to search NTA on Google. After that, you have to click on their main website. After that, downside you can see mock test option, quick links. In quick links you will find mock test option. In that option you have to click your examination. See ICR AIEEA PG. I am going to select. After that, agricultural engineering and technology. Then you can do start mock test. In that mock test, in examination case, you can see here your photo, then your subject name, then you have to type your username will already displayed by them, and you have to enter password. Then you can do login. After doing login, you will get some instructions, that palettes color and how you whether you have attended or marked for review. That after that you have to do for I have read and understood instruction. Then you can proceed. After that, see, remaining time is 3 hours. You can attend the question and their answer. So see, 7 next you have to do after attending all questions. See, I am simply doing 7 next for any option. Okay, at the end of this, you have to do submit after attending all questions. Then they will ask, are you sure you want to submit final marking? So yes, you have to submit. Then you can view your result. See, you can check your score here. Total questions 200. You have attempted 6, correct answers 3 and incorrect answers 3. So score is 9. So you can take experience of this mock test to get familiarized with the exam situation and their system. Thank you for watching our video. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.